3 by 3, and I'm multiplying it right next to it with a 3 by 2. So we see that, yeah, we can multiply them. And what's my product going to be here? A matrix, that's what size? 3 by 2. All right, no problem. So 3 by 2, let's set it up. 3 rows, 2 columns. All right, I'll do the first. Actually, you know what might be a good idea? I don't know how you guys feel. I like them right next to each other, so I'm just going to copy matrix B right next to matrix A. And be careful here. You guys didn't like it yesterday. Now I got decimals. You guys were freaking out with your whole numbers. Now I got decimals. And I can't, this isn't like a couple weeks, months ago we were doing another unit where we can just put them in the whole numbers. We got to keep the decimals. All right, so row 1, column 1. Row 1, column 1. So real quickly here, I'll try to fill it in here. So what are you multiplying 240 by? $1.80. We add that to 300 times 1.90. I'm running out of room. And then we add that to 160 times 2. And let's just make sure we're starting on the right note. Are we getting 1,322?
Yes.
Yeah. 1,322. We're good? Is there confusion right now? Because 1, 1 is probably the easiest, right? Row 1, column 1. Then it's up to you where you go from here. If you're going to go row 2, column 2, that's what you multiply. Row 2 with column 2. It's up to you. All right, where you're going from here.
Can we go down? Nope. No. Okay, can we go across? Yes, that's fine. Sorry. Yes,
you guys can go anywhere. I'm just going to
across.
As long as you guys, I'm going to give you guys a minute or two, go whichever direction you want, and then I'll let you know what number you should have. If you don't have it, you got to let me know. All right, because I got to clean this up now. I can't help you on Thursday's quiz. Okay, ready? Row 1, column 2. Row 1, column 2, 234.8. That's row 1, column 2. So 240, 300, 160 with the 0.3, 0.34, and 0.38. You ready for row 2, column 1? Row 2, column 1, 1,252. Spot 2-2, you ready? 2-2, column 2, row 2, 223.6. Bless you. 223.6. Row 3, column 1, 1,457. Three. Sorry, 3-2. Row 3, column 2, 259.4. All right, now here's the layer we have to add on to this today. We can all find these. A lot of practice yesterday in Delta Math, a little frustrating, but we can find them now. Now we got to know what these numbers mean. This is a word problem. All right, we had gasoline, money attached to this. We got to know what everything means. And here's the easiest way I can put it. In the first matrix, do you take the rows or the columns? Rows. So everyone look at my first matrix. What's the rows? That's the what? Days. So the rows here represent Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Again, how do I know that? Because darn it, in the first matrix, you multiplied rows first. So it's got to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because those are the rows in the first one. Times what'd you multiply in the second one? The what? The columns, didn't you? All right, so column 1 is selling price. So on Monday, from selling all those gallons of gas, I made $1,322. The second column shows me the what? The profit I make. Is everyone all right? How I know where all this goes, so I can answer part B here in a minute. Row in matrix 1 were all days. Column in matrix 2 were the selling price and the profit per gallon. Now watch how easy it is to answer. What was the gas station's profit Monday through Wednesday? So what do you want? It's just not one number, is it? So what do you want me to add up here? Monday through Wednesday's profit. $234.80 plus $223.60 and $259.40. So it's great that you guys can multiply it correctly, but now we got to know what the rows and the columns mean. So our profit was, what are we looking at there? $717.80 for profit, Monday through Wednesday. Nice, organized fashion. Instead of trying to do this out, look at both matrices and saying like, Jesus, what do I have to multiply together to see the profit? Up 240 plus 0.3, 300 times 0.3, and do all of that. So we can just get a nice organized look here. Good? All right, I only have one more. I'm not going to beat this. This is, we'll call the first one matrix A, the second one matrix B. All right, how many Republicans, Democrats, and independents we have. So go ahead and I'll let you do your show right now. Calculate A times B. And not only that, see if you know what the rows and the columns stand for when you calculate A times B. Again, please take your time. Decimals here. Make sure you got another 3x2 here. How's it going? All right, here, let me throw it up here. Let's see here. I got 15,800, row 1, column 1. Row 1, column 2, 18,600. If they don't match, you got to let me know. We got to figure it out, what you're typing in your calculator. Row 2, column 1, 12,500. Row 2, column 2, 14,800. And I'll wait because I know some of you are on that third row. Uh, 3,700 down here. Row 3, column 1, 3,700. And the final one, row 3, column 2, I have 4,600. Anything you want to go over how to find before we answer the questions? All right, before we do, what's the rows mean then? What do these rows mean? Those are your parties, right? Because that's what you multiplied in matrix 1. So we got Republican, Democrat, Independent. And what's the columns then? Male and female. Yep, just like the second matrix column. Now this makes this pretty easy, huh? Instead of trying to calculate these answers from the two matrices, now we just look at our answer. Female Democrats, boom, boom, female Democrats, 14,800. Male Republicans, 15,800.